Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. So as part of the last class, what we have covered only the simple input. Like yeah, I mean to say like the only simple text box we have used. Okay. So there are many more things are there. That is radio button, checkbox, drop down, all these stuffs are there. Okay. In the form we are collecting first name, last name. Okay. Today we are going to cover the other stuffs that is there as part of the form. Okay, so here as part of the passenger details we are only taking first name, last name. Okay, let me tell you. So whenever the passenger wants to travel from one location to another location, there will be some source and destination will be there. Okay, right? Private string uh, source source station. Okay, source station, and let me copy the same destination. Destination station, these are the two parameter I have I mean to say two fields I have taken for this passenger. Okay, so let me quickly create the setter and getter for these two. Alt insert, then I'll go to getter and setters and select all, then control. Okay, that is done. Okay, as part of the form we have to design the drop down. Okay, this source and destination will be drop down because for example, if I take source station will be Delhi, then in Delhi there are many stations, right? So from out of all the stations I have to select only one station, right? Isn't it? So for that what I'm going to do here is like let me copy these things and paste before this. Okay, so in order to write the drop down for the what I have done is source station, right? So here what I have to do, I have to write the source station. Okay, so let me write the source station, source station. Okay, this is the source station. In order to write the source station, I have to write from colon that is drop down. For the drop down we have to select from multiple options, right? So the name is select. Okay, this will work for the drop down. Okay, so this is source station, and form select. Inside the form select we have to write again from form colon, then option. There will be options, right? uh, from the out of the here we have opened form select. This is the source station one we have to select. This is the form select, and the option, out of the options we have to select only one option. Okay, so here I have written the select. This is the source station, and the value will be what? Value will be value will check. For example, this is Delhi. For example, this is Delhi, and level what we have to give. For that, what is the level? Okay, so I have to select multiple. So what I can do, I can do these things. Okay, let me command D for 4 5 times. Okay, this is the source station I have designed. I will put the value for that. Before that, let me copy one more time, and let me paste. This is destination station. Okay, destination station. Okay, let me go to the browser, and let me search for the uh, Delhi railway station name. Okay, Delhi railway station name. Here you can see we have, okay, not now. We have New Delhi, Anand Vihar, Cantonment, South Area, DSA. Okay, these are the stations we have. One, two, three, four. Okay, okay. This, let me copy all these things and go to the ID. Let me paste for the timing. Let me paste here. Okay, I have pasted here. Let me copy, not copy. Then let me cut the value. This is the value, and for the label also this one. And let me copy this this location, and label is also same. You can change also name and label, you can change, but I am putting all the things same, right? Okay, Delhi and Rohini DE, this is one station. Label is this one, and value is this one, and this is the station I just wanted to write, and this is the station. Okay, fine. Let me cut. Okay, so this is for the Delhi. I have written all the stations. Okay, now let me go to this one, and instead of Delhi, let me search for Mumbai. So I got this. This is the some Mumbai station name. Like let me copy this one. Let me copy all these things, and let me go to our ID here. Let me paste for the time being, and Marine Lane, Marine Lane. This is Marine Lane, Mahalakshmi. Just some station I'm writing. Don't take me. It is taking some time to write the this one. Okay, Mumbai Central, Mumbai Central, Mumbai Central, Mumbai Central. Okay, Andheri, Andheri station. Okay, Andheri, and I know there is a station called Bandra, Bandra, Bandra. Okay, so let me delete these things. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll fast forward for these things. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken the source station, and this is the destination station. For the drop down, this will come at the drop down. This is the drop down, it will come. This is the source, and this is the destination station. Okay, destination station. Let me take D as capital. So once that is done, let me call it BR. Okay, source station, it will come like this. Form select. Okay, then destination BR, this BR, then okay, double two. Okay, fine. So what I have done, we have done here is like we have taken the drop down for the source station, drop down for the destination station. So how we are going to get while processing, right? On the success page here, here I'm going to write. Okay, let me copy, and here instead of last name, I'm going to write reservation dot source station. Okay, so same source station I'm going to paste here, and here also same source station S is capital, and is a destination station D capital. Okay, and this is destination station. Okay, I think like this source station, destination station is fine. Everything looks good. Okay, so this is the drop down I have selected. Now let me run the application. We'll start the application. Now it is deploying the application onto the Tomcat server. Okay, that is deployed. Let me go to this one and try to give the request. Okay, this is the one, and what is this form? Railway reservation form. Okay, fine. Slash. Okay, this is the form. I just wanted to load. Once I load the first name, it is asking for the first name. What I can then give. This is Alex, and the name is Martin. Okay, Alex Martin. So this is the drop down, it is coming, right? Delhi Cantonment Road, and this is the Mumbai Central. We just wanted to travel from source Delhi to Mumbai. Okay. Once I submit that, we'll get reservation details. Then Alex Martin Cantonment Road. This is source station and destination station we are getting. Okay, this is working fine, but this much gap is we are getting. Okay, that we can adjust. The alignment and all we can do. Success. So in this form, okay, this is the 2 BR, this is there. Okay, fine. So now it is fine. Okay, so we have worked with the drop down now. Then the next thing I just wanted to work with, that is the radio button. I forgot, like we are taking here, we are taking the first name, last name, and this is the source station, destination. Okay, so I just wanted to work with the radio button, like gender, male or female. Okay, this kind of stuffs I just wanted to work with now. Okay, so for that, what I can do, I can write private string gender. This is the gender I just wanted to take, and at the end, what I want to insert the setter and getter for this. Setter and getter for this one, that is done. I just wanted to go to the form, and here after that I just wanted one BR line break. Then I just wanted the gender. This is gender, and in the form colon radio button. Okay, this is the radio button, and this should be the gender. Okay, and this is the value is for the first one, the value is male. This is the thing I just wanted to write, and I will copy for the next thing. And this radio button is for male. It will come like this: gender, male, and female. Okay, this is the female. This will come as radio button, the male. Okay, let me delete this one and delete this one. Okay, so gender will become like this, and this is the male and this is the female. Okay, in the same line it will come male, then next female. Okay, I just wanted to I have just done the changes, the male and female. Okay, this is the drop down I have done. Fine. This is the drop down. In one shot we'll run and see. Okay, drop down I have completed. This is the drop down, and this is the radio button I have completed. So gender I have written. Now let me write some insurance. Okay, insurance either yes or no. Insurance is required, right? So insurance required. For that, so let me go to the passenger details. Let me go to this one. After gender, I just want a private string. Insurance opted. Okay, this is the field I just wanted to add, and every time I have to create the setter and getter for that. Instead we can use the lombok for setter and getter creation. Okay, so here what we can do, uh, insurance opted. Okay, so this is insurance opted, and this is insurance opted. Value is yes, for one is yes, and this is for no, like the same drop down, and the value is yes will click, or either will click no. This is the two things just will get. Okay, first is insurance opted, the question mark also we can give, opted yes or no, that we can do. Okay, this is the two radio button we have done, one for male female gender, and this is for insurance. Whenever we are traveling, then we have to choose the insurance we want to opt or not, right? uh, okay, fine. Then we just wanted to write some checkbox is something we have to think, like if we are traveling uh, uh, in the train, then we have to select like what kind of food we want or not. Okay, so for that what we can do, I can go to this passenger details, and here I can write private string and food. This is the food I just want, and let me create the getter and setter here itself. Okay, that is done. Let me go to the form. Go to the form. Then here I just wanted to write one beer, then food. Food. Okay, food. Then I just wanted to write form colon for the this should be our checkbox. Okay, form colon checkbox is there. Yes, checkbox is there. Checkbox for that, this is the food, and for the food, what will be the value? What will be the value? Value is first one is breakfast. Okay, this is the breakfast we want. Then I will copy three things. This is the breakfast. I will keep here breakfast, and this is lunch we want, and then dinner. Okay, so this is lunch, this is dinner. Okay, so we want food, this one breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, these three things we want. Okay, so for that I have written some checkbox we want to select. It can be multi-select. Okay, it can be one or multi-select. Okay, we had make a mistake, so this can be multi-select. So for that, what we have to do, we have to write one array instead of food can be multi-select, right? So for that, what we can do, we can select array, and okay, let me create the setter and getter one more time. Okay, fine. And this is the things we have just completed, and the form I have written. And in order to get the reservation insurance opted or not, this is the stops we just wanted to write here. Okay, so let me copy one more copy, insurance opted, and insurance opted. So what we have to do, we have collected all the information, then and gender we have not done, right? First name, last name, gender. Let me write the gender here itself. So D, this is gender, and this is gender. Okay, so this is all done. Only thing left over is like the food is like the multi-select, right? Multi-select in the sense, like I can say, this is going to iterate, like one can select either either meal means breakfast, lunch, or breakfast, lunch, dinner, all combination he can select. So in order to get all the information we want to print here. So for that, what we can do, we can iterate by writing food food chosen. Okay, food chosen. Then here I can write, I can iterate this one, c colon for each. Okay, c colon for each is there. uh, for the tag, JSTL core tag we have, right? Spring framework core tag are there. So in order to work with the core tag, here we want to write the for each, right? So in order to for each JSTL core tag, we have to uh, load. Okay, this is our Spring framework. Okay, let me copy from somewhere from our JSP. Okay, directly I will put in the form.xml. Okay, I have copied and I am pasting these two things, Glassfish Web, Servlet, JSTL, and JSTL API. These are the two things I am just trying to add in order to work with the core tag. Okay, so the core tag is, let me close this and go to the form. And if I try to write the success, C colon for each you can see JSTL core. Okay, the JSTL core that is that is inserted, this is the C colon, this is the JSTL core tag library, Spring JSP core tag library. So in order to work with that, we have to provide this one. Okay, so now while iterating the for each, what we have to do, we have to write the variable name. Variable name is, for example, let me write food. Food is the variable, and from which we want to iterate. Item is, this is the dollar. We have to provide, write the dollar, then colibras reservation dot from the food, whatever the food we have. Okay, let me change this to item. Okay. Okay, so this is the item. Item is the variable, and from the reservation food, whatever the food we have selected, from that I am just trying to iterate. Okay, once that is done, then what we can do, we just wanted to print that. Okay, in order to print as an item, so while the HTML provides some li tag, li tag, it will come like, uh, it will come like uh, kind of what I can say, uh, list kind of thing, right? So for that, what I can do, I can do dollar, then colibras. Inside the things, I just wanted to print item. Okay, so what we are doing, the inside the for each, we are creating the for each variable. We have taken item, and we are just iterating from the food. So it is similar to for variable name, from the list of item we are iterating, right? And whatever the item it is coming, every time we are just printing this one. Okay, that is the things we are just doing. Okay, let me rerun the application. That means let me deploy the application into the Tomcat server, and then we'll try to give the request from there. Okay. Okay, now I can see like the application has been deployed. Let me go to this page and let me rerun this one. As you can see, gender male female insurance update, here it is coming. So for the insurance update, I have to give the one BR after gender. Okay, after gender, let me go to the form. Let me close this one. After the form gender, here I have not given the BR. Okay, so BR I have to give gender, and now it should come fine. Let me go and refresh now. Okay, now it is coming, gender male or female, this one, lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything is coming fine. Okay, let me choose Alex, and let me Martin, and here I just wanted to go to New Delhi. From New Delhi to Bandra, I just wanted to go, and my name, I am female, sorry, male. Insurance is required after this one, and breakfast I need, lunch I need, and dinner I need. Okay, once I filled all the form for the reservation. Okay, once I click submit, then reservation is successful, and these are the details. Okay, and first name is Alex, name is Martin, gender is male, source station is this one, destination station is Bandra, and insurance opted yes, food chosen. Okay, food chosen, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Congratulations, you are successfully booked a ticket, and with the following details. Okay, so this is how we can work with the Spring MVC form. Okay, so I hope this helps you to build the real-time applications, right? I have covered everything, right? Almost all the things, right? From the starting from the text button, then drop down, then radio button, then checkbox, everything like main items I have covered. Okay, so all the things, possible things I have covered. So here, what we have done, whatever the user has submitted, then that things only we are just showing. These are the details you have. You have provided while at the time of booking. Okay, this is what we are doing, performing. But in case of the in case of real time, what we can do, here what we are doing, we are providing all the things to the view page, rendering to the view page, right? Once we got the request, then what we are doing, we are rendering to the view page. Instead of that, what we can do, we can perform here the DB logic. After that, here we can perform the DB logic. Okay, DB logic we can do if we want. Okay, for the time being, we are not concentrating on the DB logic. Going forward, like at the end of this series, I will provide one CRUD operation which includes the DB operations as well. Okay, so this covers this all the Spring forms. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.